Today I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to add chapters to your videos. This will help your viewers have a better viewing experience while they're watching your videos. They can scrub through the timeline and easily see exactly what's going on in your video and jump right to where they want to be. So let's just get straight into it. From YouTube, you want to go to your channel icon here, then go to view your channel. Then go to manage videos, and then on the video that you want to add chapters to, go ahead and select details, and then you want to add your chapters into the description here. Now before you start adding chapters, there are 3 things you need to know. 1, the first timestamp you list must start with 0000. Your video should have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order, and the minimum length for video chapters is 10 seconds. Also, you can automatically add chapters. So to do this, you would scroll all the way down, select show more, and then scroll down some more until you get to here. And once you select allow automatic chapters and key moments, YouTube will do its best to add chapters to your video, but you don't want to rely on this. If you can manually add them yourselves, just go ahead and do so. So now that we're back up to our description, we're going to start adding chapters. How do you know which chapters you want to add? Well, you can go ahead and preview your video. So I'm going to open my video over here, and I can scrub through the video to figure out where I want to place chapters. So I'm going to do a chapter for the intro first. So I'm scrubbing through my video and I can see that my intro ends somewhere here. So at about 0:51, right there. So at 0:51, my intro ends. So in my details, I'm going to add my first timestamp. Remember, the first timestamp must be 0000, right? And I know my intro ends at 51 seconds, so that's 00:51. And I'm going to give this timestamp a name, and it's going to be called intro. So this is the layout of a chapter within your description. Once you have your first chapter, the second chapter should begin 1 second after the first one ends. So my starting timestamp of my second chapter is 00:51. Now I need to go find out where this second chapter ends. So I go back to my video and scrub through the video to find out where it is that I want the second chapter to end. And I can see that I defeated this boss somewhere here. So that's where I defeated him, and then I have the transition. So it ends at 3:40. So back into my description, I add the timestamp as 03:40, and I give this chapter a name. The boss I was fighting is called Earthwolf, so I'm going to call it Earthwolf. And then my third chapter begins at, you guessed it, 03:40, and it will end at, I'm scrubbing through, right here. So it ends at 4:23. So 03:40 begins, ends at 04:23, and this boss was called Man in Stone. Then I made a mistake. The chapter begins at 03:41. There we go. Right, so now this one will begin at 04:24, and it will end at all the way down here. There. It ends at 746. So 0746. And this boss was Shigandan. And then now from here all the way to the end of my video is the ending. So that's from 0747 to 0756, and that is end. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit save. And now when you go to your video, let's refresh it and scroll down to the description. You can see the chapters here. So a person watching your video can immediately see exactly what your video is made up of, and they can click to where they want to go to watch that particular content. They can also just easily scrub through the video like this to see exactly where in the video they want to go. So this is really helpful for your viewers, and it is something that you should include in all your videos if you can, and things will be a lot better. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you find this video helpful. Do remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will continue to do my best to put out a video every day showing simple things that you can do to improve in different areas.